So you finally book your first dental consultation and you might feel excited or terrified, right? So don't worry, I've been there too. So whether it's braces, a general checkup, or a smile makeover, that first dental consultation sets the stage of your whole dental journey. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what you should prepare, what to expect, and how to make the most out of your first appointment so that you'll walk in confident and leave smiling. Before we jump into the checklist, let's talk about first why preparation matters. A dental consultation isn't just a random visit. It's your first impression and your dentist's chance to understand your needs. The more prepared you are, the better your dentist can tailor a plan that fits your goals, lifestyle, and budget. Think of it this way: if your mouth were a house, this visit is like a home inspection. You're checking the foundation, identifying the issues, and deciding how to fix them before something big happens. So, the first tip is to come prepared with your dental and medical history. If you've had braces, crowns, root canals, or even tooth extractions, you have to mention them. Bring any dental records such as x rays or even before and after photos if you've had any cosmetic work. Remember that your dentist isn't a mind reader, so the more info that you share, the faster they can diagnose and plan your treatment safely, especially if you have allergies, are on medications, or if you have any chronic conditions. So the pro tip for that is list down your medications before your visit. Tip number 2 is list your concerns and goals. Next is make a list of all your concerns and goals. So let's say you went there because your teeth shifted after braces, or your gums bleed after brushing, or maybe you just wanted a confident and wider smile. When you can clearly communicate what you want, your dentist can guide you better. So, for example, you say, I feel pain whenever I bite. So, your dentist will try to check the bite alignment or if there's any cracks. Another example would be, I don't like the gap in my teeth. So, most probably, your dentist will discuss options like bonding, veneers, or orthodontics. The consultation is your time, so don't hold back questions like, what are my options? How long will it take? Is it painful? Trust me, they'll be glad to answer all your questions. Tip number 3 is prepare financially and know the cost range. Here's something that most people don't talk about, and that is budget. Dental work can be an investment, so knowing your budget range helps your dentist recommend the best plan for you. Ask questions like, do you offer installments or financing options? Are there different price points depending on materials or techniques? If it's your first consultation with braces or aligners, it's totally fine to ask for a treatment quote after your initial exam. Remember that you're not committing yet, but you are exploring. Pro tip is ask about payment flexibility upfront to save you from future stress. Tip number 4 is bring a notebook or your phone. During your treatment, your dentist will explain a lot about what's happening in your mouth, possible treatments, and next steps. Trust me, it's easy to forget once you leave, so better take notes or record your conversation if your dentist allows them. Bonus tip: ask them to show your x rays while explaining. That way, it will be easier for you to visualize. Tip number 5 is mind your hygiene before you go. Now, this one's basic, but it is important that you show up clean. So make sure that you brush your teeth, you floss, or if possible, skip the strong coffee or garlic right before the visit. It's not about impressing your dentist, it's more on making the examination comfortable for both of you. And if you're nervous, that's perfectly normal. You just have to take a deep breaths and remember that you're doing this to yourself and you're making a positive steps toward your health. And remember that your dentist aren't judging you, they are helping you. And moving on to the last on our list is to evaluate the clinic and the dentist. A first consultation isn't just about the dentist to know you, but also for you to know them. So you have to observe how they communicate. Do they explain clearly? Do they listen patiently? Does the clinic feel welcoming and hygienic? So always trust your gut because you're not just choosing a dental plan, you're choosing a partnership for your oral health journey. Alright, so here's the recap to make your first dental consultation smooth and productive. Number one is know your dental history. Second is list all your concerns and goals. Third is prepare financially. Number four is take notes. Five is show up clean and confident. And number six is to evaluate your dentist and the clinic. Remember that your first consultation is just a beginning for something amazing, and that is your healthiest and happiest smile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more braces journey videos or dental tips such as this one. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on my next video.